iGlue started as a family business, manufacturing adhesives. But once we began selling internationally, things started to come unstuck. Our accounting package was no longer up to the job. Financial close always meant a lot of late nights in the office, and with information trapped in spreadsheets, I could never see the bigger picture. We'd heard great things about SAP, but I thought it would be too complicated for a business of our size. But we were able to get up and running in just a few weeks, and we had the support of a fantastic partner who really understands our industry. SAP software is easy to use, simplifies everyone's job, and gives me a complete view of our operations and finances, so I can plan ahead and properly manage our growth. SAP really is the glue that holds our business together. Now we can think bigger as we grow, and I know we'll stick with SAP.